Jesus tells us in Luke 10 in the parable of the Good Samaritan that we are to love our neighbor. And in the parable, our neighbor is represented by a salesman who's been beaten and left for dead on the side of the road. But what if we replace the image of the salesman with that of an orphaned or a vulnerable child? Are we loving our little neighbors well? At Little Neighbors, we're convinced that the best place for kids in need of alternative care is a safe, loving family. And in order to connect those children with these loving families, we've developed 3 programs. Number 1 is our family-based care program, where we recruit safe, loving Christian families to foster kids from hard places. Number 2 is our adoption support program, where we equip and walk with families that are called to adopt. And our 3rd program is our mentor program, where we walk with families that can mentor and disciple children and young people that are aging out of orphanages across the country.
Our family arrived in Paraguay in 2006. In the early years of our ministry, we helped start 2 churches. And in the year 2013, we began to work directly with orphaned and vulnerable children.
Local Christians from local churches are the key to loving our little neighbors well. I remember one October, our team got a call from the government about 2 babies who were in desperate need of care. The government didn't even have the resources to remove those children from their dangerous situation, but because of your generosity, our team was able to fly to a remote part of Paraguay, bring those children to 2 wonderful foster families. There was a lot of work that went into helping those children heal emotionally and physically, and making sure that they spent lots of time together even though they were in separate families. But now they are together in their forever family, and our team is able to work with them as they grow.
We praise God for our marvelous team of professionals, and we're very thankful for the precious and dozens of foster families that have opened their hearts and homes to receive these children in need. But there is still one more thing we need, and that is you. We need to raise more monthly support so that we can continue advancing here at Little Neighbors.
Would you stand with us as we help find forever families for these children that need to be adopted? Would you help us and walk with us as we accompany these foster families that are loving and caring for these children? And would you stand with us and help us find mentors and disciplers for these children that are pursuing their God-given purpose as they age out of the system? Little Neighbors is empowering Christians across Paraguay to lead the way in family-based care for orphaned and vulnerable children. You have the opportunity to impact this and future generations by standing with us. So on behalf of our Little Neighbors, we want to say thank you.